How to find Roblox user ID on mobile. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find Roblox user ID on mobile. The very first thing you need to know is that this cannot be done using the Roblox app. Instead, you will need to use the Roblox website. So open any browser on your mobile device or computer and go to the Roblox website. Once you are there, make sure you log into your account with the correct username and password. After logging in, tap on the profile icon of your Roblox account on the homepage. You will then be taken to the profile section of your account, just like you can see here. Once you are on this page, go to the browser address bar and tap on it to highlight the web address. You will see that the link shown is the web address of your Roblox profile. Inside that link, look carefully for the word users. After this word, there will be a set of numbers. These numbers are your Roblox user ID. Unlike your username, which you can change, your user ID is permanent and is unique to your account. This ID is sometimes required for settings, troubleshooting, or when you are asked to provide account details in Roblox. Once you identify it, you can copy the number if you want to keep it somewhere safe. That is all you need to do, and the process is very quick. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find Roblox user ID on mobile.